Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Irene and today I'm finally getting around to showing you guys my newest handbag purchase, which I haven't been buying very much lately, so this is few and far between. This is it. This is the 90s row bag. So I was thinking of showing you guys what I carry in here, my thoughts on this bag, as well as a size comparison between some of the other handbags that are in the similar size that I have in my collection currently. So if you're interested to see all of that, then let's get straight into this video. So here is the star of the show. It is the 90s bag from the row. I have mine in the black calfskin leather, I'm pretty sure. And it is the most supple, soft leather that I have really felt ever. It is quite softer than my Loewe. It is softer than like all the other bags I have. I can honestly say this is the softest. Besides the other park totes that I have, which their leather is soft and silky and supple as well, but it's thicker. This one's it's a thinner leather from the feels of it, and so it's different. But I love the leather quality from the row and obviously the bag designs. This bag I had debated for the longest time. I had my eyes on it for well over a year, but I never purchased it because first off, it was nearly impossible to get your hands on it. I feel like a lot of people were after this bag and it was always sold out, whether it was on the row website or from Holt Renfrew, wherever it was always sold out. I could never get my hands on it. Not to mention, it is a very simple bag. A lot of people have criticized it for looking like a pencil case, and they're not exactly wrong. Because of these things, I just didn't feel comfortable spending the amount that it was costing without seeing it in person and trying it on first, until about a month and a half ago when this bag finally showed up as in stock at my local Holt Renfrew. I made the trip down to the store to try it on. When I got there though, they said that theirs that was showing as in stock, if they had sent it back for repairs, so they helped me order another one in. And so yeah, I got it in and I went to look at it first before deciding to keep it or not. So to show you everything that I carry inside of my bag, I'm gonna just take things out here. This is what I carry with me on a day-to-day basis when I'm out and about with the kids and my husband. So I have my Hourglass. So this is the Vanish Translucent Powder. It's got a mini little puff in here and I love it because it's perfect for setting down any oily spots on your T-zone on the go, and it's super convenient. I have a Refi lip gloss. It's in the clear color. It's super glossy. I really like that one. I have my Ride or Die cushion. This is from Jung Sum Wool. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's the Korean Cushion Foundation and I have it in the shade medium, which is 21. And I'm wearing that on my skin right now. I wear it every single day and it's really good for covering up all my blemishes that I have because I've been breaking out like crazy. I have my car keys and my wallet. There's a full-size Touchland, not that there's a mini size, but I have a Touchland hand sanitizer. And then there is a Chanel, this is Cocoa Flash in the color Boy. And then there is a lip pencil from Charlotte Tilbury. This is the shade, what is the shade? Pillow Talk Medium. And then finally my phone, which is an iPhone 16 Pro. These are all the things that I can carry inside of my purse. When I have all those things in, like I'll put them back in for you just to show you guys again. So again, phone goes in there, no problem, iPhone 16 Pro. And I do have the square case from Flaunt. A lot of people like to comment that it looks like a brick, but I find it doesn't slip out of my hand so easily because I'm a klutz. So this fits in there, no issues. And then again, my car keys and my wallet go in here next. And then Touchland hand sanitizer with the kids, my cushion for touch-ups. I love this for on the go. The powder for touch-ups too, and then my lip products. All three of them all go in here. When I have all three of these in here, and all of this in here more like, it zips up perfectly fine. I could still fit like one or two things in here, but I wouldn't put too much in. And it looks like this. Okay, so it looks like you can see my phone jagged in there. Anyways, when it's this full, it doesn't have the really nice little slouch in the middle that I really like that this bag tends to have. So a lot of times if I can, like let's say I'm wearing jeans for instance, I like to have my phone out in my back pockets and then I'll just carry this bag without my phone in here, so it has a little bit of a slouch. Like you can see, once I zip it up, the zip is actually very smooth as well, I'd like to mention. So then it has this really cute little slouch. Now, the biggest problem with this bag is this strap. Do you guys see how small this strap is? It is teeny tiny, and it was also another reason why I was hesitant on getting this bag in the first place. I didn't know how often I'd be able to use it being a mom, and I can't be completely hands-free with this. So I saw another creator, I think it was on TikTok. She went and got a little strap. This is actually, I have an elastic on here. This is actually a doll's belt off of AliExpress. I ordered it off of, so I can just link this directly in my description bar below. All you have to do is just get this and you can attach it and lengthen the strap, which is brilliant. The only thing is this is like kind of beige on the inside, so it doesn't match entirely with this. But once you're wearing it, it doesn't matter because you don't see the inside anyways. If you really wanted to, you can paint it black. I'll attach it on here for you to see. And then you can see that it's so much more usable now. It's functional and it just makes so much sense. And also I'm noticing that I got blue cherry juice under my nails, so it looks like I've got dirty nails. If you notice that, I was cutting up a bunch of cherries for my kids because also my 9-month-old, he needs things cut a certain way so he doesn't choke. So now I don't even have it on the longest length. Like I could lengthen it even more. You can see how much longer and more usable this is. If I was to put it on the longest length, the last hole on this extension, this is the full length with that additional strap. And now you can definitely carry it over your shoulder, even with a jacket on. And it has been the absolute game changer for me because otherwise I wouldn't be able to use this bag at all, honestly, unless I'm going out with my husband date night, just the two of us, and that rarely happens. So this bag has been going out with me a lot lately and I've just been loving it. I just carried it this past weekend, yesterday and the day before, and it's been great. I've been loving it a lot. A lot of people have been actually doing a lot of dupes online as well. I've been seeing people buy like the dupes off of Amazon, whatever. And at first, because again, I couldn't get my hands on this, I couldn't see it in person, and I wasn't sure if it would be a functional purse for me, I wanted to try out the dupes first, and I actually ordered 2 dupes. Mind you, mine are not from Amazon. Mine are from Temu, I think it was. So I definitely opted for the cheaper way out just to see if I would like it. The dupes that I ordered were not good. I've seen some dupes that were a lot better on TikTok, for instance. Some people ordered off Amazon, which is like 4 times the price of what I paid. Those are like $100, I think. I want to say Canadian. These were like less than, like they were less than $20, I want to say. But I'm going to show you guys the difference between the dupes that I got versus the original thing. So like I said, these dupes that I got were not good quality because dupes have different qualities as well. And I tried. I just couldn't do it. I don't usually order dupes. I never do. I thought for this pencil case looking thing, it's so simple. Why am I spending so much money on it? Maybe I should have tried the Amazon dupes, but I just didn't bother because I was pretty disappointed by the one that I got. So this is the Temu one that I got, and you can see the shape is not even the same. Like this one's taller. It's taller. And then the shape on the sides also not the same. This one's a lot more rounded, like an oval almost. This one's got more squared off corners. The leather quality is not even comparable. The zipper is a lot more fine and delicate here. This is very chunky and you can see it's kind of jagged. I even ordered it in a white just to see. Now the white, I want to say, oh, it's blinding here with my window, but it's a slight bit better. I can't. I'm keeping this one to use if I ever wanted like a bag that I don't care to throw around. But this black one is now my daughter's. She has like her toys in it. She likes to copy mommy and have the same purse as me. But I couldn't do it. I tried with just a simple dupe just because, like I said, this bag, it's not like it has crazy branding on it. That's why it's great. I also wanted to compare in this video this bag size to some of the other bags that I have in my collection that are very similar for sizing ideas, because like I said, this bag is not always easy to see in store or get your hands on. And so I have here my mini Loewe bag from my mini puzzle bag from Loewe, and then I also have my Nano Speedy from Louis Vuitton, and I would say that between these 3, they are like the most similar in size in my collection. So if you take a look at the mini puzzle, like that's actually very similar if you take a look at that. A lot of you guys know that this bag holds a decent amount, except that the opening can be a little bit tricky for some people. They don't love this flap because it kind of gets in the way. I don't have an issue with it, but if you were to look at these 2, they are super, oh my gosh, similar in size, in height. This one's a tad bit longer, like maybe like a centimeter further out. But then like the side profile is very, very similar. Let me just move this out of the way. Very, very similar. And like it's very comparable in size. The Speedy Nano, I would say, is definitely shorter in terms of like length, but the height is similar. The side profile is also maybe not as big. So the Speedy Nano is a little bit smaller. If you have a Speedy Nano or if you've seen videos of what you can fit in here, I would say it fits more. This fits more than the Speedy Nano. Just so for size comparison again, like if you guys want to take a look at, yeah, like I would say that the Row has very good capacity. You can see here, it's a lot longer. Let me see here. A lot longer than the Speedy Nano by, I would say, 3-4 centimeters. It's quite a big difference for such a small bag. That's just to give you an idea of how it is in terms of sizing. And I'll just show you guys one more time. I just have my loungewear on right now, so don't judge me. I'm just in comfy clothes right now because I'm home all day. But this is what this looks like on me now that I've got the extender on. And it just works so, so well. It's so easy to throw on. And I can still wear it in the crook of my arm. Again, you can still see this beige just because the one that I have is beige on the inside, but you can paint it. No big deal. It just looks like this. Very, very simple and super easy to carry. I love it so much. Maybe I should have worn like a cream colored outfit just so you guys can see it better, but that is basically, oh, I'm sorry, I kicked the camera. That is my review and my thoughts on this bag. There's really not that much to it. It's just, it's a very hefty price tag for a small purse that doesn't have much, that doesn't have branding on it, but I think that's the beauty of it. And also it looks like a pencil case and I get it, but don't worry, if you like this bag, get it. Don't worry about what other people say because it's not them who's carrying it. It's not their money you're spending. I love this bag and I highly recommend it. I can't recommend enough good things about it. And even though I have a very busy lifestyle with my 2 kids, I can still manage to carry this because what I do is I carry my own essentials in here and then I can just carry my kids' diaper bag in the bottom of my stroller, and that's just how I use this, and it's been great. So that is everything for today's video. If you guys enjoyed this little review slash what's in my bag slash size comparison video of this Row bag, then please don't forget to give me a little thumbs up and consider joining my little community of subscribers. It would mean a great deal to me, and I will be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye!